Hi friends, do you know what is the plural of this word data? Datas? No, data is plural. Then what is singular? Datum. Datum, data. Let us see some more examples like this. Number 2, medium, media. Medium, media. Memorandum, memoranda. Memorandum, memoranda. Bacterium, bacteria. Bacterium, bacteria. Curriculum, curricula. Curriculum, curricula. Spectrum, spectra. Spectrum, spectra. Symposium, symposia. Symposium, symposia. Stadium, stadia. Stadium, stadia. Aquarium, aquaria. Aquarium, aquaria. Curiously enough, nowadays, some of these words are used with yes to make it plural. Generally, this is the pattern. Thank you. For more.